Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pradeep Kumar MR, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry of Kelly College of Pharmacy. Today, me and my students are combinedly performing the demonstration of the preparation of the salicylic acid. So before we start the preparation of the salicylic acid, let us know a little bit about the salicylic acid. So what is it? Medicinal or pharmaceutical use. So this salicylic acid is basically used for the skin disorders treatment, that is acne, dandruff, etc. So after getting to know regarding its medicinal or the pharmaceutical use, let us see the principle. So in the principle, as you could see, there is a use of the methyl salicylate, sodium hydroxide and concentrated HCl. So these are the three important chemicals what we are employing in this preparation purpose. So here it is a hydrolysis type of the reaction what we are carrying out. In this, the methyl salicylate, which is an ester, when it is subjected for treatment with the alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, which is a 40% sodium hydroxide which we are employing, it converts the methyl salicylate into sodium salicylate. This sodium salicylate further on treatment with the concentrated hydrochloric acid results in the formation of the salicylic acid, which is the compound of our interest. So now I will call upon my student.
Hello everyone, myself Alpha Viratman, student of Kelly College of Pharmacy, Vidyanagar, Hubli. Here I am going to carry out preparation of salicylic acid from methyl salicylate. The chemicals required to carry out the salicylic acid preparation: methyl salicylate, 40% of sodium hydroxide and concentrated HCl. The apparatus required: 250 ml of beaker and funnel, glass rod, pipette, water bath and tripod stand. In this experiment, methyl salicylate, which is an ester, it is treated with 40% sodium hydroxide to give sodium salicylate, which is an intermediate. This intermediate sodium salicylate is further treated with concentrated HCl to give salicylic acid, which is our interested product. Take 6 ml of methyl salicylate in a small measuring cylinder and add it on 250 ml of beaker. Then take 40% of 40 ml of sodium hydroxide in a measuring cylinder. Add to the beaker, which is containing 6 ml of methyl salicylate. Here the sodium salicylate, which is an intermediate, is formed. Heat the sodium salicylate until it gets a clear solution. Stir it vigorously. The precipitation of salicylic acid is formed. It is subjected to filtration. For filtration purpose, we are using suction pump. After proper filtration, we got salicylic acid, which is our interested product. It is used in many skin disorders such as dandruff, acne, psoriasis. Thank you.